The CAT 320 GC excavator is like a giant with a demonic hand, gliding through piles of debris as if playing with absolute power. Equipped with a CAT C4, 4-ACERT engine delivering 107 kilowatts, it stands as a symbol of strength and efficiency, perfectly suited for light to medium workloads. The balance between power and hydraulic systems enables the CAT 320 GC to perform precise operations, ensuring reliable productivity. With a comfortable cabin and easy maintenance, the CAT 320 GC is more than just a machine, it's a trusted partner, helping to overcome challenges with undeniable durability and power.